Hey, what's up you guys? It's Marissa at the Marbled Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video for you. I have an Erin Condren unboxing. So I applied to be in a collaboration with them and I will pop that hashtag up on the screen. But basically it was all about goal setting, reaching your goals with Erin Condren products. So most if not all of these products are related to my goals. So again, this is a collaboration with Erin Condren. They did send me a code for these items. Well, actually I had to put like $20 of my own money with them, but this was stuff I wanted anyway and probably would have purchased anyway. So yeah, that's that. As always, my link to save $10 off if you've never ordered from Erin Condren is in the description box. You get $10 and then I get $10, and then I also have an affiliate link in my bio to shop anything Erin Condren where I just receive a small commission and it costs you nothing. But I love their products even if you don't use my links. So that is my intro, so let's get into this box. I have my little monthly petite here just to protect my address, but we will open it up. And then I'm going to let you see this is how it came, and then I'm going to just start grabbing and pulling some stuff so we can get into it. So, alright, let me get this box out here. Ooh, that was outside. Alright, pulling just from the top, the first item, and this is kind of a sneak peek, but this is it's upside down, a little charm. It's called Flare. I think it's called Druzy on the website, but it's a little charm for your planner or your folio, and it's just like a pink little crystal thing. Very cute. Next, I got the gold tape dispenser. This goes along with the goal of getting organized, getting my desk organized, and making it cute. But yes, I just thought that this was very, very cute. And actually, if it's easy to open, I'll open it up for you. Let's see. I didn't bring a knife in. Maybe 12 years later, I finally got that open. But anyway, this is just made out of acrylic. And it is very sturdy, and then it has the little gold accents, little asterisk there. This is covered just so it doesn't get scratched, but your tape just goes right on there. And this is very cute, very hard plastic. Like I said, it is acrylic, and so love that. This is just gonna help me organize my desk better. Next, let's go here. I have, if you ordered from Erin Condren, you know what this is, but this is another folio. I saw this was available again, this pattern. It's actually for breast cancer awareness. I believe it, they donate money when you purchase this pattern, but I just love it. This appears to be the old design. That's interesting, but doesn't really bother me. Interesting. So, yes, this is the Erin Condren On The Go folio. I flippin' love this pattern. They always come with this, which tells you how to set it up. And then these are all the colors they have. So at this point, I have these 4 on the end here, and then I have the charcoal one, but it says 2020 because it was from the seasonal surprise box. And there will be a video coming for all my folio setups. I know I had one, but it's already changed, so I'm just going to redo them with all of my folio setups. So I got this. Then I got 3 petite planners, and actually I got 2, and then they were doing a special where one was free. So I got the Checklist Petite Journal. So this is a journal, so it is slightly cheaper, and it does not come with your typical pocket stickers in the back, so that's why, but it is just a bunch of spreads of these checklists. So these came out with like the teacher stuff, but obviously it's like not teacher oriented at all except for this stuff. So I'm going to use this. At first I was thinking habit tracking, but I've kind of done that a different way in my daily. So I think that what I will do with it is YouTube video tracking. So like I will put the name of the video and then like plan, film, edit, voiceover, thumbnail, upload, or something like that. I don't know, but that is what I'm thinking with that. Then I got another budget book. I'm currently using one of these, but I had started using it on and off last year, so I'm too much short of a year in that one. And I love the cover of this one, quite honestly, so I want to make sure that I have this one, but it is the exact same thing. So you have your savings tracker, then your month at a glance, all your bills, and these look exactly the same. Spending, tracking, and then the next month, you have 12 months of those, and they do match the colors of the months do, even though they're undated and you make your own months. But then you have 8 debt trackers, a little quote, and a sheet of stickers. And these stickers do look like slightly different colors, more to match the cover than the one I have, which is awesome. And then this one I believe I got for free, but I probably would have ordered it anyway. My wellness log isn't going too hot. Like I don't know. I use the meal planner like religiously, so the wellness log I'm not using religiously, but I need to start because a lot of days I miss meal plan. Not a lot of days, but some days I go off meal plan. So you have the starting point, you have your wellness goals, and then this is what everything looks like. So you have activity, water steps, hours slept, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks for Monday through Sunday. You have like a bunch of those. I don't believe there's any reflection pages, though the flags at the top look like they do change. Oh, so there are. So there's monthly progresses, I lied, where you can put this thing, then my wellness goals, accomplishments, goal processes, plans for next month, and then a little quote down here. So you do have monthly reflections. And then in the back, let's see. So this is 3 months, I believe. Let me see. That's what it says. Oh, 6 months. I'm totally wrong. 6 months of wellness spreads. Sorry. So you have 6 months of those. Oh no, I thought 3 months. And then you have the check-in, and then what? 4 notes pages, a quotes page, and some stickers. So love that as well. I love the petite planners. I love my life planner, but I love these things. So those are my 3 petite planners, and again, this one was free for a deal they were having. Then while I was there, I got some interchangeable covers just because they're cute. So this is one of the new spring designs. The plastic got messed up, but the cover is totally fine. That is the inside. So I picked the like super light gray color for this one, and then I think I picked pink, and I think, or maybe you could pick all 3 colors. Actually, I think you could pick all 3 colors now that I say that. And then I got the cheetah one. This was inspired by Belinda, Celine, and also Julie's plans. Very, very cute. And here is the inside of that one. I believe this is rosewood and then a dark gray. If you really want me to figure it out, leave me a comment and I will reply to you. And then this one I don't have. Can you even like believe that I don't have this one? But this is the Mid-Century Circles cover. The OG Erin Condren pattern, which I love. And so I had to pick that one up. Then this is super exciting. So this is the little storage box, obviously, but I did not buy this alone. So you get this when you buy the stationery set. So I'm just gonna pull out a couple, but as you can see, it's pretty filled. So I picked these are like totally customizable, what you say. So I put the McPherson so we could like write notes or whatever. Then I picked the fold over ones. You can have the ones that like are just like postcard size, but I wanted the ones that were like cards. So it does come like ready to fold, I guess. And then I picked the Dancing Petals design because I love that design. And then you get to pick your envelope color. So I picked silver. Some of the colors were out of stock, but honestly I think that's pretty. So yes. And that's that. I mean, they're little cute, but we will always have cards on hand, and they're personalized, which I think is awesome. I've been wanting these for forever. One of my goals is to just, you know, like kindle our relationships better and be more adulty and on top of things. So I got those to help with my goal of that. And then this last thing I've been wanting for forever, and obviously people's goals are like always to get organized. Well, that's mine too. But I ordered the Erin Condren tote bag for Black Friday. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It's a giant haul, but it's a giant bag, and I love pouches. So basically I'm thinking I will use this in that tote bag. I mean, look at the inside. It is so pretty. But this is the large luxe clutch. And so the idea of this is like a going out bag, I think. But honestly, I just think it's really freaking pretty to like store things in. I have like just a little bit of like crap there that I might scrub. Oh, there we go. It came off. Yeah, it came off. So if you saw that, it definitely came off, so that's awesome. But here is my question, because look, this is an interchangeable cover. This is the size of a planner. So look, it totally fits in there. So I'm gonna go grab my planner in just a sec. That's not what I bought this for, but it could possibly be a use. And then obviously, like, let's pretend these are all in here. This, an on-the-go folio would for sure fit. So I'm thinking a planner might not fit, but give me 1 second and I will go check. Okay, so here is my planner, and now that I'm looking at it, I don't know that it's gonna fit, but it does fit the on-the-go folio if you're feeling it. So let's see. Yeah, the coil is just slightly okay. So, and it's not made for the planner. Again, I just was thinking about it. Yeah, okay, not gonna fit. That's fine. That is not what I wanted it for. That was just an added bonus I thought of. But anyway, this I'm thinking might be like, it could be a travel makeup bag. It could be a travel planner supplies bag. It could just be a like keep stuff together bag. I mean, you know, and if you look, I hope you can see that on camera, but it has like the mid-century circles detailing like this, which I freaking love, as I said. So that was my haul video for my goals. Like I said, expect a video very, very soon of all my on-the-go folio setups for all of my goals. It is coming very, very soon. Hopefully I will film it right after I film this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It really helps me out. I hope you have a great day. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up button if you liked it, and I hope that you will subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. But thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. Bye guys.